Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the A2O multi-sample osmometer and the OsmoTECH HT automated micro-osmometer. You may be familiar with these instruments, but today we're going to show you just how one is more suited for the GLP and GMP environments. Since we're talking about GLP and GMP environments, we also need to talk about data management. So let's take a look at the A2O multi-sample osmometer. When we talk about data management, we have to talk about data storage. The A2O osmometer will store data. Unfortunately, the data needs to be deleted on a regular basis for efficient operation of the instrument. It also has a built-in printer here. The printer is a thermal printer, which means it will fade over time, which was suitable for the clinical environment, but not suitable for biotech environment, where you would have to either transcribe these results or make a copy of the printout. Finally, we need to talk about networking and how you can get the data off of this instrument. This instrument does have the capability for a local area network connection. However, the software for this instrument is dated, and it makes it more complex and difficult to make that connection to your network when you're trying to download your data. So now that we're done with the A2O, let's take a look at the OsmoTECH HT. So here we have the OsmoTECH HT. So now let's discuss data management on this instrument. The system has the capability to export all of the databases from the instrument as a CSV file or a PDF file. You can send these either to a local area network or you can send it to a USB port. It's important to understand that all of these files remain on the instrument and you're just sending a copy of the file to that USB or to that local area network. All of these databases have unlimited data storage, particularly the events and the results database, and they can never be removed, altered, or deleted from the instrument. We also have a backup functionality, which allows you to export these databases as well as the configuration files to a network location. This is important in case there is ever a catastrophic failure of the instrument. You're able to restore those databases and configuration files to the instrument and start running from that date and time where the last backup file was done. Finally, we need to look at how you get the data off of the instrument. You can use a local area network, as I said, where your IT people would set up an address for it, create folders for all of the databases, and then it will automatically be downloaded to those file folder locations. We also have OPC UA communications capability, which allows you for true bidirectional communication with the instrument. What this allows you to do is both start the instrument and stop it from a remote location, send down templates for your testing needs, and also to send down sample IDs for any of the testing you want to do manually on the instrument. This allows you to have true data management to meet all of your process needs. We hope you found this presentation insightful, and thank you for joining us today.